Vintage Royale offers elegant, affordable luxury in the vintage. Prudential Gary Green Realtors is proud to have been chosen as the marketing partner to represent the sale of unique townhome and single-family home sales in Vintage Royale, an upscale community located within the Vintage. The Vintage is one of Houston's newest master-planned developments. Vintage Royale is located near Tomball Parkway, Highway 249, and Louetta Road. This conveniently located community offers residents a choice of waterside living, access to a gorgeous clubhouse and swimming pool overlooking the amenity lake and fountain. Vintage Royale offers both townhomes and single-family homes with elegant, unique floor plans developed for Texas-style living. Homes are beautifully accented with brick and Austin limestone. Featuring large rooms, stainless appliances, granite counters, and premium flooring, the affordable prices and great location make this community hard to beat.